have decided to come back to YouTube. It's 2018, February 2nd, 2018. I don't know why it took me so long to get back into this, but we are back, guys. I'm so excited to record for you guys. I feel like a lot of things have changed since I have filmed my last video. I have my own apartment now. This is my room. It is so empty. I literally have nothing in this room. I decided to hang up some Christmas lights because I feel like that's what college students do. And this is literally like my room right here. It's just a bed. It's just a white bed. What is so nice about this room is that there's a whole wall with a huge ass window, and it is so nice. I can now record videos. So today I recorded a super simple video on me just doing my makeup, getting ready for the day. I am going out later, so I did kind of put in a little extra effort. But it's just a simple video to come back. If you guys have any requests for future videos, please leave it down in the comment section below, or just message me on any of my social medias. I will probably get back with you guys, and I love talking to you guys. For anyone that does ever message me, I think you guys are so cute. So please talk to me. I love it. I love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get started into the video. So the first thing we're going to start off with is, of course, concealer, my favorite. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using a little bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer that just came out to darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to be blending this out with a damp beauty blender.
Now, Asiatic laces bird with a rabbit, stab it, maintain mine, she got a habit, knowing you catching me in lies, snatching me out of files, boo, yo, you the shake on the fries, chill.
After, we have to bake our face because we don't want this sliding. So I'm going to be using a little bit of the Coty Air Spun Powder, and I'm just going to be baking under my eyes, anywhere I put that concealer, and I'm going to be brushing it off right away because I feel like if I put it on for too long, it's going to be super cakey. And y'all already know I have a super round face, so we're going to be contouring using Happy Hour by NYX, and I'm just going to be using this Real Techniques brush. After, of course, we need to bronze up our face. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution bronzer, and then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of blush from Milani. I'm going to tap everything with the Beauty Blender because I don't want it to be too harsh. And I usually don't like using highlighter. I know I'm like the only person that doesn't like highlighter, but I have been trying to get back into it, so I am using Rodeo Drive by Ofra, and I'm just going to be, of course, putting it anywhere I have the high points of my face. I'll be doing my brows off camera, so I'm going to be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm going to be taking some brow gel just to like blend it out and make sure that my brows stay in place. Then, of course, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer so that everything stays in place. And I'm going to be setting it with a setting powder. Usually I don't put on that much eyeshadow, but today, since I was going out, I'm going to be putting on a little bit more. I'm going to be taking a blending brush and that same bronzer I used and just be using that as my crease color. In order to deepen it up a little bit, I'm going to be taking a more pointed blending brush, and I'm going to be taking that same contour color, Happy Hour by NYX. I'm going to be putting that on the outer corners of my eyes. And of course, you want to go back in with that same blending brush and make sure everything is cohesive and looks super nice and blended. It's really just a process of packing on that darker color on the outer V and then blending it out with the other brush. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking an eyeshadow brush and using that same bronzer color and packing that underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking a light champagne color and putting that in my inner corners. And bam, I have eyeliner on. I did that off camera, or it was just magic, I don't know. I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and putting on my favorite mascara, the Rocket by Maybelline. Taking the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. I'm going to be putting that all over my lips, and of course I don't like it to be too potent, so I'm going to be blotting it off with my hand. and we're finished with the makeup. For my hair, it was super simple. I usually don't really do much to my hair if I'm just gonna go to class, but in this case I was going out, so I'm taking my curling iron and I'm taking 1-inch strands and just wrapping it around the curling iron barrel. And once you're done curling your hair, of course, run your fingers through your hair, flip it around, make it super voluminous. After that, you're all done! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video coming very soon.